Hello everyone, here is my great new device which I was waiting for since the Note 7 came out. I had a Note 7 also, and actually I had two Note 7 which I had to send it back. Well, everybody knows the story. Well, I'm actually not complaining. I got the VR headset for free, and I also get the 128 gig card from Samsung also for free. So I'm not complaining at all about the Note 7. I only can complain because I don't have it. So anyway, this is all about to unboxing this thing. Finally, I have to unbox this and I have to see what is inside. So yes, good thing always open something new. Very nice box. Yes, finally the Note 8 is here. Good. Very, very good. It's similar to the Note 7 box. And yes, another thing here. Okay, so finally I have an access for it. Oh la la. Very good. Here's the phone. Very nice. And these things everybody's showing, that's nothing new. I was waiting for I might get some micro SD card, for example a 256 one, but no, nothing there. So that's it. That's the phone. Brilliant, very nice.